So I'm working on a custom color request for this design. So this was a design that I already have in my shop, but it's more like in all black silhouette design. And I had a customer request saying, "Oh, can you make this in a different color skin tone and add these red lips to this design?" So I said, "Sure, I can do that." So I'm coming in here and I've already changed the skin color tone to a brownish color. Not brownish, brown. It's brown. And then I just went in here and created the lips in the red color. It'll stand out from the face and from the head. So I'm just using some of the features that are already in Inkscape, like the cut feature, the division feature. Just makes it really easy to do things like this. So I can just take the existing design that I already have and make a few tweaks to it, add in a few other parts of the drawing to get like a whole new look. It does take time, so that I will not lie, it does take time, but I don't have to draw it all completely from scratch. I can take what I've already done and then make changes to it. Some of the other features I used to get the skin color was the paint bucket dropper. That's what I'm thinking of, the dropper tool to pick the color. So I made two circles, two different colors, and then just use the dropper feature to pick the color for the skin. So I'm kind of putting the face on top of the lips and going to use the intersection feature. And there it is. Looking for some red lips.